Who is Godfrey Osotsi?
We would like to see more money being sent to our counties.
A man who is publicly recognized as the current senator of Vihiga County. But how much do we really know about his background?
Like Vihiga, Elgeyo Marakwet, Lamu and the others.
Born in Emusenjeli village in Vihiga County, Godfrey Atieno Osotsi schooled at Chavakali High School, where his political journey began. He was part of the opposition in high school. During one of his interviews, he confirmed that he severally led maandamano at Chavakali High School. However, Osotsi was given light punishment since he was one of the best students.
Everyone in this ministry is clueless.
Honorable Godfrey Osotsi acquired his first degree in computer science at Egerton University from 1995 to 2000. He also has a master's degree in information technology management from the Great University of Sunderland in the UK, and in addition, executive MBA from the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. Senator Osotsi is one of the many politicians who have maintained a relatively private personal life. Little information is known to the public. He is married to a medical professional and they are blessed with 4 daughters. Before becoming fully involved in politics, Osotsi worked with Mumias Outgrowers Company, Energy Regulatory Commission, Dawes and Shortleaf Company, and Business Systems Limited respectively. In 2013, he was nominated in the National Assembly under Amani National Congress Party, ANC, through the leadership of Honorable Musalia Mudavadi.
Sasa kwa haraka
He served as Secretary General for the party from 2015 to 2017. It was in the same year where he was nominated again to the National Assembly by ANC to represent workers' interests. However,
wandani wa Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi ambao mchana wako na Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi, usiku wako na William Ruto.
Internal wrangles and conflicts led to his defection from ANC and joined ODM. In 2022, Osotsi was elected Senator of Vihiga County. Recently, he raised to the position of Deputy Party Leader, a move that was fueled by Honorable Raila Odinga.
Drama. We are a party that has huge representation across the country, and we cannot be intimidated.
During one of the Thanksgiving ceremonies, Osotsi declared that he will be going for the Vihiga County gubernatorial race 2027. However, he is still focused on his role as senator to ensure oversight, accountability, and advocacy to unity and also development. By being the chairperson of County Public Investments and Special Funds,
Chair of CIPIC, Senator Osotsi, let me also confirm that I'm Vice Chair of CIPIC.
he has helped in overseeing how counties invest and manage their funds, ensuring transparency and accountability.
Many are talking about, a few are talking about 1 man, 1 shilling. But I think we need a conversation.
He has actively opposed the issue of equalization fund bill, boldly arguing that it will be unfair to counties like Vihiga County.
The sports amendment bill.
In sports development, Senator Godfrey Osotsi has fully sponsored FKF Vihiga County League. This has helped to nurture sports talent among the youths. Senator Godfrey Osotsi has also supported various circles and community groups across Vihiga County through the allocation of funds aimed at enhancing their economic empowerment, promoting access to affordable credit, and strengthening grassroots development initiatives. With this and many more, Osotsi has been ranked as top performing senator by different surveyors since his tenure in 2022. Kindly subscribe as we bring to you more episodes of Know Your Leader. Also, do not forget to share and like our videos.